Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your DOT for better security, trading, or just diversification, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Remember, crypto processes can change, so always double-check with the latest platform updates. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Gemini. Start by logging into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Polkadot, DOT, in that list. Next, click on DOT and select the Withdraw option. This will open a withdrawal form. Now, the key part. You'll need to enter your Gemini wallet address. To get that, log into your Gemini account, go to your wallet, and copy the DOT deposit address. Paste it carefully into the Bitrue withdrawal form to avoid any errors. Double-check for typos, as they can lead to lost funds. After entering the address, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on the blockchain. Polkadot uses its own network, so expect a small fee for the transfer. Once everything looks good, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Review it before proceeding. Now, sit tight. The withdrawal might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it hits Gemini, check your Gemini account to confirm the deposit. And that's it. You've successfully moved your DOT. A quick word of advice. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and stay vigilant against scams. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.